All right, Tesla workers at the Shanghai factory have expressed their concerns to Elon Musk after being informed over the weekend about plans to cut their performance bonuses. They have also criticized Tesla's handling of a fatal accident at the factory. Here now are the details of this and other stories making headlines across the globe.
The situation marks a rare outburst of discontent at Tesla's Shanghai plant, its largest and most productive site, whose workers Musk praised last year for banning the midnight oil to keep operations running during the city's 2-month COVID lockdown. Two workers at the plant, where Tesla has employed around 20,000 employees, said they were informed by their supervisors over the weekend about plans to cut their quarterly bonus payout, which is linked to the factory's performance. The workers said Tesla supervisors mentioned a safety incident where they were asked about reasons for the bonus cut. Elsewhere, a group representing the UK aviation industry says the cost of decarbonizing air travel is likely to push up ticket prices and put some off flying. Sustainable Aviation says issues such as moving to higher-cost sustainable aviation fuel will inevitably reduce passenger demand, but it found people will still want to fly despite slightly higher costs. Annual passenger numbers are still expected to rise by nearly 250 million by 2050. It said that sustainable aviation fuel will be a key part of the industry's journey to net zero, accounting for at least 3/4 of the fuel used in UK flights by 2050. Sustainable aviation fuel is produced from sustainable sources such as agricultural waste and reduces carbon emissions by 70% compared with traditional jet fuel. Finally, Malaysia plans to introduce a second 5G network from next year in the latest policy shake-up aimed at dismantling monopolies and promoting competition by Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's 6-month-old administration. Malaysia's 5G rollout by state agency Digital Nasional Berhad has seen repeated delays since its launch in December 2021 because of industry concerns over pricing and transparency, as well as worries that a single government-run network would result in a nationalized policy. Monopoly. The plan for a second network would be contingent on Digital Nasional Berhad and mobile operators ensuring the 5G network coverage reaches the government's target of 80% of the country's populated areas by end of this year.